1 2. Yeah, we are live. Let me check. Yep. Okay, so day 3. I have not streamed for a couple of days lately, so now we'll get back to streaming. It's day 3, and today I'm planning to continue streaming the YouTube Assistant project which I started. It's about AI assistant, of course, for content creators. This tool will be for content creators, specifically for YouTubers, small channels who are planning to continue streaming. Started just content creation and have a small channel on YouTube, and hopefully this app I want to build in a way that it will be really useful in that. Me as a small channel struggle now with a lot of things actually when dealing with YouTube, starting from ideas, discipline, what rules to follow, and a lot of stuff like I don't know, maybe to someone it's easy and to someone it seems easy, like YouTube and content creation, but the more I delved deeper, the more I realized that it's a really hard thing and you need to tackle with a lot of things at once. Plus, I don't have full time for this. I have a full-time job, so I don't have full time for YouTube, so it's really hard to understand what you need to do and how to use your time efficiently. So I have found a lot of tools for that for YouTube. Like the famous tools are vidIQ and YouTube, like I forgot the name, the second one also is there. And I found them really useful, those tools, but they're kind of an analytical approach. Also, yeah, they also have AI integrated. I also use AI, of course, for YouTube thing, but it's kind of scattered everywhere, like all across. You have to go into like different places. So I want to kind of unify it and create one really useful thing. So I will be developing it, refining ideas. Also, will be using it myself, testing and giving my feedback on it. So yeah, that's the idea for it. So day 3, day 1, and day 2. I spent day 1 was just planning the stack for this. Day 2 was planning the database schemas. And yeah, today we'll continue. I will maybe today focus on the UI part, because this is one of the most important parts for this type of app, I think. And we'll try to brainstorm some ideas for UI today, because I feel like this type of app should have really nice UI in terms of users should be feeling really comfortable. There are some apps that really make you feel comfortable, that you just feel at peace, and like you feel like you don't get distracted there and don't want to like switch to anything else. There are some apps like that, and design is the key part on that. So yeah, hopefully I will try my luck as well, because I'm not that efficient designer myself, and yeah, I will try to search for design inspirations, and use all the possible tools that are there using AI to come up with some nice design, you know. So yeah, that's the idea and the plan for today. And now I'm gonna first of all switch on some music for today. With music it's much nicer. I'll go with my usual lo-fi playlist. Also, I'm thinking to feature, since I'll be streaming frequently, develop my own some kind of a music playlist. There are actually many tools there on the internet. Okay, so we have the music. Okay. Okay, so last time I checked here, finished with the database design. There's a markdown file. Just will check with AI if everything in that plan has been implemented. Okay. What I need to do is I will try to find some inspirations. I will go to, first of all, Behance, web templates, and which one? Stitch. If I ask Stitch to generate me some template from scratch, it will generate me a basic design, I think, which is just not good. So basically this will be like a dashboard. Basically I need a dashboard, I think. Dashboard. If I try assistant dashboard, also I will go with IQ. Which one is like YouTube? There's actually YouTube AI editor, which I don't need. Actually, someone has done something similar. Need to check that. Okay. Okay, so what I was searching is YouTube buddy or something. There was tube buddy. Okay. I think this light is too much. Hitting my face. My eyes look like zombie, I think. Okay, this is too blue, this is too white. Okay. Yeah. Too much screen time hurts your eye bags, hurts your eyes, I guess. So, TubeBuddy, what does it do? Features. No, I have tried it once. CEO, click magnet, channel insight, niche, leaderboard, title generator, all this cool stuff. This is really useful for YouTubers. So I will not try to implement something similar. I'm trying to focus on something else, but at the same time I'm thinking like, if it's not that complex to, I don't know, implement something from here, like if it's useful, because I know like when things are scattered across, like, okay, I'm here for assistant and I need to go somewhere else for channel insight, somewhere else for keyword explorer, so everything is scattered across. So let's see, I mean, okay, what I want now is just UI. I need some nice UI to brainstorm. Okay, so I'm searching for dashboard, meeting assistant. Yeah, it's a hell of a task to find a nice inspiration for this. This is not the one. This is not what I want, I guess. Okay, I'll try to find something here. Why can't I get some live demo? So this is Figma. Figma, I need to specify here that I need a graphic template, so it gives a Figma design. I can specify the web template, I guess. This one looks cool. What is this? Live demo, live preview doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work for some reason. Okay, let's see this one. We build dashboard demos. Okay, here are many different ones. What about this one? I don't want it to be read like YouTube. Actually, this one could be nice, but I don't like the dashboard here. I want a similar thing like on progress done and revised, but I don't like the design, it kind of looks too basic. CSS. This one. Okay, so dashboard dark, dashboard light. Calendar, Kanban. Oops. I mean, this is the skeleton, this is the base I need, and I imagine it's just all about the design. So I need to explain now to AI to create this skeleton, and then later on I will tweak the design, I guess. So, okay, first of all, let me check this one. I need to understand the progress of this markdown file. All implemented, nice. Okay, now I want us today to start implementing the UI, but based on the implementation plan, what do you suggest to work on today? I'm thinking about creating the UI. I already know the basic skeleton. It will be a dashboard, and on the left sidebar there will be different buttons and different dashboards. And I haven't yet decided with the color palettes for the project, so I don't have the project colors. I need to use Stitch to brainstorm ideas. So, which task are you suggesting to work on? The UI part, or there is some more important which you suggest based on our markdown file? So what I want to do is I just need to understand which is the other stuff. I think authentication is the first thing to work on. Not the first thing, like one of the important stuff for the beginning. So I'll just open the second terminal and start working on that in the second terminal. I will actually move myself a bit far from the screen like this. So got the full picture. Here's what it thinks. Already done. Schema, foundations in place. Next in the plan, task 4, YouTube data service, backend, task 5, app layout, navigation is the first UI task. So the American start with task 5, app layout, navigation, shell list, skeleton, everything else, hang down, dashboard, check goals. Yeah, clean and minimal. Okay, so I want clean and minimal design, but let's first create the implementation plan for other tasks like authentication. And next in plan, you said YouTube data service, task 4. What do you consider needs to be done in the task? Let's come out with a plan for those tasks and then continue with the UI. Oh, actually, this is my previous app which I developed, live streaming. This is a UFC predictor app, and it already has predicted 3 events, and accuracy is 56%, which is good, I think. Out of 39 fights, it correctly predicted 22 fights, and yeah, I'm really satisfied with this. An interesting part is low confidence level is most of the time correct. Tracked fights. Okay, correct. Was correct. Holloway. Okay, so from Holloway Oliveira, Ricky Turcios. By the way, was there any age finder there? Okay. Okay, so he's coming up with a plan. Yeah, I just gave the prompt to Stitch. So let's see. I mean, prompt is too much information. Like, I mentioned different pages, so let's see what it does, and then if it draws some nice thing, then I will just add a bit by bit different pages. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna take some time. Let's meanwhile get back here. What does Claude investigate? It's still planning. Okay. 16,000 tokens spent. Okay, now it came up with questions. Implementation plan uses search list to find recent videos. Okay, let's say I use this recommended one. Oh, this is nice, cool UI. First time I see it in a Claude terminal. So for the brand color, I'm suggesting indigo blue. I don't want indigo blue, actually. Oh wait, what is this? Okay, indigo blue. This is too depressing. Hey, no one. Yeah, AI slope is real. AI slope is real. What's up? How is it going? Enjoying Sunday evening with a nice AI company. So indigo blue, teal, warm orange. Let's check warm orange. Yeah, purple. I mean, indigo blue is kind of a depressing, you know. Warm orange. Colors go. Colors go. You think purple will be too much, you know? Purple will be too much, I think. I'm thinking some light colors. Orange blue. Warm orange is also kind of okay, I'll try now to generate variations, different colors. Let's try 5 variations. Yeah, I'll just try to generate here and let's see. I mean, Okay, so I will just brainstorm ideas. Actually, which is that app? There was some app which had really nice colors. Minimal colors for apps. Hey, user, what's up? What happened with the UFC Predictor app? Nothing happened. It's been shipped khwise.com, and it's doing good actually. I checked the accuracy, and it has 56%. It has predicted 3 events, which was 39 fights total, and accuracy is higher than 50%, so it's doing really good. I want to improve some algorithm, but from whatever it is, it's doing good. And it's been deployed, shipped. I just didn't start marketing because it needs a lot of marketing, and I have some plans. And this is a long-term process, so I will start marketing. I need to be active with Instagram because Instagram is very active with MMA, and also Twitter. The thing is, I hate this Twitter or X or whatever it is. So I hate it, and I never go there, and I need to go there, you know, to market this app. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. Yeah, I will improve some features on it and stuff like that, but it's functioning. It's everyday updates itself. It fetches if there are any new events. It just displays it. I don't need to update anything in the code. Today, after UFC finished, I just came here, I checked the accuracy, and it already shows me updated fights from the Holloway Oliveira. So here you can see event Holloway Oliveira, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 fights were missed yesterday, I think. Yeah, 4 fights were missed yesterday. I mean, wrong prediction. And correct ones were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fights. Out of 12 fights, 8 fights were correct. So it's really good. Happy with it. I just need to marketing it and stuff like that. But I just started this other project also to keep the momentum on YouTube going. I want to get consistent with streaming. Yeah, of course I watch. I'm a big fan of UFC. So yeah, now I switched to another project which will be much more complex and interesting and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see. I watch almost every event. If I'm not watching, I'm aware of all the events. Now I can't wait for June because White House, the main event will be Ilia Topuria versus Justin Gaethje, and I can't wait for that. And the co-main event is also amazing. Alex Pereira versus Cyril Gane. Oh, great event ahead. Yeah, sometimes I do, yeah. Sometimes I do. When it's like a fight night cards, I just wake up on the last main event. But if the card is great, I do watch prelims sometimes. For example, this card on White House card, it will be... I will definitely wake up from... it's not here yet. I will definitely wake up for prelims, I guess. Okay, so chat about this, something else, notes. I have watched UFC events so many times, I already know by which time is the main event. So basically, if it's the big card like UFC, like not the fight night card, usually main event starts after, in my local time, in the morning 8:30. After 8:30 or sometimes by 9 in the morning. It usually, the last fight starts by that time. But the main card starts usually at 7 in the morning for my time. So sometimes at 6, sometimes at 7. And what time does it start for you? Like in the morning? Okay, so I need to check this. So I need some minimalistic colors, but not like Notion black and white. Some light colors and warm colors, so user will feel kind of a cozy, you know, maybe autumn colors. So what color palettes do you suggest? Pillows, not pillows. Okay, you use app, let's just subscribe to a fight and wakes you up before. Wow, that's cool. What app is it? Which one is that? Is it some bookmaker or stuff like that? Yeah, I mean, it's officially written in Google. For example, main card starts at 6. Usually they are a bit late, usually, you know. Here are 3 cozy suggestions. Autumn inspired, warm, soft, minimal without being black and white. Warm amber, terracotta earth. Okay. Okay, fight alarm or UFC alarm? Whoa, I never heard of it. That sounds cool. Is it like, let me check, fight alarm? Yeah, for real. Your alarm clock for combat sports. Set the alarm for the world best event. Whoa, this is so funny that someone thought of this and created this. That's really cool, this idea. Okay, I need to check their app. What else does it tell? Like, okay, it has an alarm and that's it. Like, is it the idea of the app or it has some other functionality? Yeah, but paid app. I wonder what is paid. Like to wake you up before the fight. Like, oh, of course, it wouldn't be the one. I guess they have some features, but it's so funny to imagine. UFC alarm. Let's check UFC alarm. Fight alarm. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool, really cool, unique idea. But I didn't think that this would be actually useful. But I guess no. I mean, there are some box matches actually for you, because for UFC I'm watching like if I wake up like at 6 or 5, I am watching like all the fights. Or if it's one fight like main event, you know that it's the last one and it starts in the morning like at 8 or 9, so you kind of know. But there are some boxing events which you really don't know when does it start. It has happened many times when Usyk was fighting or something, so I kind of was checking all the time, could not find, so I guess it's useful. Hey, Bouncy Clips. Yo, all good, what's up? How are you doing? No, I am finished with apartment website as well. It's already done and shipped to the real domain. And it just has, the admin will be just posting the actual real content. So I'm done with UFC app for now and real estate, and I'm switching to some more interesting stuff, which is kind of a YouTube growth coach for YouTubers who are beginners, like new small channels. And this will be like AI integrated tool, like AI assistant, which will track your progress and help you brainstorm ideas. And yeah, I want to make a dashboard where there will be useful tools for YouTube, because based on my experience, I started YouTube. My channel is small and I'm trying to find different stuff which will help me, and these tools are kind of scattered across, and I'm trying to come up with tools which potentially could be helpful based on my experience. So I'll be the one testing it. Plus, I never built something that has AI chatbot integrated, so it would be cool also experience to stream and stuff like that. Yeah, UFC tool is already deployed. I will just once again show it. Cage wise. Yeah, UFC tool is deployed. It's functioning. And I haven't started marketing yet. Yeah, marketing is a big part of it. It's free now because I don't want to charge people for predictions. I feel like it will be kind of a scammy, so it's totally free. If you are checking fights, you can go here to cagewise.com. You can see the upcoming fights ranking statistics, and you can see the predictions, and you can see the accuracy. You can see the past events. Currently the statistics are good, it's 56%. So I will start marketing plan on it, and I will also post update on my channel. So currently I didn't do any marketing, so I'm prioritizing the new app which I'm working on right now. So yeah, but stay tuned, like I will post updates on that for sure. Okay, actually, where is the stitch? Let's go stitch. Okay, stitch is here. Okay, it did all dark colors, which I don't like. Can you generate 3 variations with light colors? Warm, cozy colors. Okay, Claude is waiting for me. Okay, let's go warm Ember. How do I watch UFC? Okay, I'm from Georgia and we have a channel here which is called Setanta Sports, and it has like a very cheap subscription monthly, and it's very cheap, and you can watch UFC events. Yeah, it's not the highest quality like 2K or something. It is about 1080 bitrate or something. HD quality like this, 1000. So yeah, I watch it here. My monthly cost for tokens. Okay, so I have $100 subscription in Claude, and I don't use it fully. Like, I don't hit limits. I still have some small like free tokens left. I use it for work full time, and I use it for streaming, so I don't hit the limit. But I'm not streaming very often, as you can see. So I will start streaming more often, and the project grows also. Like, so let's see. But I don't think I'll hit limits, you know, still, because the way I work usually with AI is I don't ask it to work, build like a lot of tools at once. I don't give it big prompts, so it doesn't start building for 2 hours. I kind of do kind of a context engineering. I plan like features like separate, like one feature, second feature, third feature, and by that way you spend less tokens. So I try to still be effective with tokens, even though I don't hit limits, and I don't think I will for now. Yeah, actually, for exploring and experimenting, I am planning to start using teams, you know, spawn agents, team agents. We'll have like different agents, different responsibility. They'll have tech lead agent, and these agents consume a lot more tokens. And let's see, maybe I hit limit when I will start doing that, because people say it's a lot of tokens. So let's see. I'm really interested how teams work, and I think maybe on this project I will do it. This project I kind of want to do more AI agentic engineering way, you know, planning, a lot of planning, right approach, testing, code reviews, a lot of stuff, just for the experience, you know. So let's see, it will maybe waste more tokens actually. So okay, so I'm at the stage where find recent videos which costs quota units. It's asking me the same question which I responded. Okay, I have newer. These colors I like more actually. These ones I like more. Okay, maybe I'll take inspiration from this one, but I want to iterate through this design a couple of more times, because I'm sure what I noticed is Stitch kind of generates cool designs, but these designs are reused across many apps because whole world is using Stitch, so it doesn't give you something unique. It doesn't generate something from scratch. It's kind of reusing all the same stuff. So when generating something from Stitch like this, don't hope it's like, could be rare case. It could be used in a lot of places. So I don't know. I think I will just choose this idea and try to iterate through a couple of times, maybe then find some custom components and replace these icons and components. Okay, what's the difference between these ones? color wise. Studio AI, color wise. I like these components. Okay, it will come up with a plan now, and then I will start in one terminal. I'll start on UI working on UI, and the second one, authentication, I'll try to implement. Okay, I hope it's not generating the real UI. It should be just updating the markdown files. Okay, so actually I'll try to iterate here as well. I like the first one, this one. Design system, what does it mean? Oh, let's create column. Okay, so it's kind of interesting. Sneak peek, light, dark, light. I can adjust the colors here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Like this one, let's say. Or let's play around. Yeah, I mean, Stitch is really cool, and they keep improving and improving all the time, adding some nice, cool stuff. I didn't know about this. Okay, so I tend towards store. Yeah, more like this color. Maybe this is too dark. This something like this maybe. Actually, the one in the beginning was good, and yeah, this one a bit brighter. Yeah, maybe this one. Corner radius I can specify. Corner radius, I guess maybe this one, not too much. Okay, font as well. I think I should not touch the font. I'm really bad at choosing fonts, really bad. So better not to touch it. Okay, 7 apply. Where did it go? Okay, so copy to Figma, we go. What else do we have? Edit, annotate, system design. I did this system design. Apply design system. It's applying to this particular design. Okay. Okay, until it applies, what's going on here? I think the plan should be ready. Wait, what did I do? Did I approve? Sometimes like Claude comes up with a plan, like 1 hour it's coming up with a plan, and then it asks you like, should I start implementing it? And if you click yes, then it will start really creating everything, which is not good. But no, what is it doing actually? Add calendar event scope. I hope it's updating the markdown file. It's implementing task action. Yeah, I mean, I just missed it. I should have not accepted this. I thought it's asking me for a markdown file update, but it's okay. It's setting up just foundation, but still I would like to separate it. Now it will create calendar events, also theme colors, YouTube types, then it will create YouTube service, but it's okay, service function is fine. Then it creates UI shell. UI shell also is fine, it can create, but it happens in one session, one terminal, which I don't like. But it would be not good if I switched off this terminal, because it already spent a lot of tokens on understanding the context, and now I would have again to create new session and again explain what I want to do, and it again needs to investigate stuff like that. So okay, it's fine for now, but need to be more careful with this. Hey, what product are you creating? Hey, I'm creating a YouTube assistant for helping YouTube small channels grow. It will be a tool, AI integrated, of course, that will help you come up with ideas, brainstorm ideas, come up with plans, consistency. Also the AI coach, which will give you feedback and help you plan the schedule for your YouTube. All the necessary tools in one workspace. I am also like a new YouTuber, so I'm building it based on my pain of creating YouTube content, because all the tools are scattered across, and I'm trying to kind of create one thing that has its all in one place and will help you. So also I'm experimenting with AI integration and a lot of interesting stuff, which is interesting to work on, gain experience. So anyone who is interested in such stuff maybe can also discover some cool tools. Okay, so it asks me to proceed npx. Okay, run npx. Okay, so what happens here? I think it applied. Okay, what else can I do here? I can modify, annotate, preview, mobile, tablet, desktop. Okay, so copy to Figma, export, generate. What's predictive heat map? Let's see what this predictive heat map is, and meanwhile let's check what is it creating. Schema, global CSS, class TS. It's for Prisma. Okay, I need to check what's inside youtube.ts. Actually, I need these variables to get. I don't have them yet. Google Client ID, secret. Get access token. This for Google Authentication. There is a channel info. This we get from YouTube. Statistics. Page video analytics, views estimated. Fetch channel analytics, fetch traffic sources. Okay. Okay, it's clear. Whatever is done here, now it's creating on a UI shell components, sidebar header, app shell. Actually, there are some templates in your cell. Maybe I should have checked. Oops. Okay, what do they have? AI, chatbot, template, Slack, lead agent. Okay guys, I'm gonna go on a 2-minute break and be back. Okay, so where's the music? Okay, we're back. Okay, still working. I noticed like 2 days ago, the Opus specifically asked which effort to use, medium or high effort. So I set it to high, and since then it's working slow. But I guess it should be making less mistakes. So let's take a look at Stitch or heatmap. Like, what even is this? Why did it generate me this? This is like the place user will click, I guess. Okay, so I need variations. Let's generate 3 more variations. No, let's go with 5. No, I'll refine 2 variations. Refine, layout, color, images. Let's generate refine variations, and then I'll explore. And then maybe also final one will ask to go crazy and generate something new. Okay, so it's done. Build succeeded. It added YouTube services, channel info, videos. Okay. Okay, I will commit this. Added YouTube services. Also base UI skeleton, and also I think it's okay. I think that's it. Okay, let's test this. Let's run this. Let's see what we have. Okay. Okay, I need to add some variables. Okay, just a moment. Go to Stitch meanwhile. Some new refined. Okay, it refined this design. Let's keep this. 2 versions here. Let's generate new variations. Let's explore now. 3 variations. Okay, so you are white coding or hard coding things? I'm not hard coding, definitely. I'm white coding, yeah. Yeah, I'm using white coding. Otherwise, I won't be able to finish this project for ages, I guess. So I'm going the fast way, but I'm trying to wipe code it in a way so I kind of look into the code and orchestrate, try to follow some coding rules, conventions, not to blindly generate AI code. So yeah, but I'm definitely wipe coding this one. Is this better than Kiro? What is Kiro actually? Agentic AI development from prototype to production. Let me check this one. CLI. Is it like a new wrapper, like around AI? It's like a cursor with integrated. Kira is agentic AI with IDE, and CLI helps you to go from pro. Okay, it's like a regular another AI wrapper, as I say. Like there are millions of this, so I don't use any of them. I just use Cursor with Claude. I use Claude inside my Cursor terminal. I also have Cursor, so like subscription. So yeah, I guess it's enough for me. It's Amazon. It's Amazon's official ID. Okay, interesting. Like, it's so cool and so overwhelming at the same time that there are so many same tools which are being used, you know. Basically, I'm creating one of them. But it's not saturated actually. What I'm creating right now is what my idea is and how I want this to come to reality. This tool is kind of a AI assistant which will collect all the existing tools and you will have it in one place. But I want to adjust the AI assistant in a way that it will be really helpful. So let's see how it will work. What I'm using for design. I am using a combination of different tools. I'm using Stitch mainly. As you can see, I'm generating designs with Stitch. But I don't completely trust Stitch in a way that I will not completely go pixel perfect with this Stitch generated tool. I will be continuing refining different sections and I will try to make them unique in a way that, for example, I am planning to use this 21st.dev and to replace some components which Stitch generates with beautiful ones like generated by people here, you know. But mainly I'm relying on Stitch now, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I want to continue improving it. Now I'm just trying to come up with a basic base colors, like what will be the colors of the brand. I want them light, so I'm testing different ideas. I like this base. From here I try to generate some other options. So this one I liked in the beginning. I refined and generated two variations, and these are the ones. And this one, the colors are similar, but they are different. but the fonts is different, which I'm not a big fan of these fonts. Colors as well, I think. This one I don't like also. And this one completely off. I don't like this. I'll just straight delete it. And this one as well, kind of not the style I imagine. This one could be something, but the colors, like, I don't want these colors. I will try one thing here. I will refine this so it has different colors. I'll generate variations, click refine. Let's generate 3 variations. Let's say color schema, fonts, text content, and this one, okay, let's imagine this is expandable dashboard, hopefully. But this page, what is this page about? Let's say AI, okay, and here's insights. Actually, this is also not bad. So, yeah, I'll try to generate new variations for this one. Color schema, text content, layout, I will leave the same. I will refine, not explore. Nara Guerrero, good luck. Thanks a lot, I appreciate it. Good luck to you as well. Okay, meanwhile, yeah, I'm trying to fix some errors related with the variables, environment variables. I just need to check my Google API keys and just implement it in the project. So while I do that, meanwhile, let the Stitch generate the designs. Okay, so it generated new one. Okay, so this one actually good. These ones are too minimalistic, so not a big fan. And what about this? This is kind of a good, but it's too like I don't want this green color. Actually, can I do like this? I will delete this one, and this one. Let's compare these two. Not a big difference between these two, so I guess I need to just go with this option. or I can select this and ask here, is this use design? Okay, 3 variations it will generate. Please try and refine this. Actually, yeah, now please a bit different colors, but stick to bright warm colors, cozy style. Okay, generating. Okay, I'll try to run server. Okay, now I'm not hitting the error, but I still need to get the Google environment keys. And I'm just trying to find where should I get those keys and which keys exactly I need. Okay, still generating. Need refined. Where is this the one? I guess. Yeah, actually, this one looks better than this. Not in terms of colors, maybe, but as an idea, like I like these components, project board, and with the images. Smart task. That's really cool. What about this? Yeah, I like the sidebar here more, like this, instead of shiny buttons here. I like this one, so... But I can take this component and put it here, maybe. What is this? No, this one I don't like. So for now, I think this is the best option. So yeah, I mean, that's why generating new things is pretty cool. I will refine or maybe even explore. Color scheme I will leave the same. Everything else I'll try to. Additional instructions. What? Video project board. Stretch the strategy board. Or no, let's be lucky and let's see, maybe it does something cool. Creating variations. Okay, so I need to set up, create new project in Google. Actually, I have one. Just need to get the API keys. Which is Vertex AI actually. Now I need to create a new project. Okay, new project. This one will be View Frenzy. View Frenzy is the name of this app. Hey, how will this SaaS help? Akash is asking. Yeah, this SaaS will help for YouTube creators, small channels starting on YouTube by helping them. AI will be integrated, and AI assistant will be helping with refining ideas, brainstorming them, helping the organizing tasks. This app will have a dashboard which will have calendar, also like a board, and the AI will help generate ideas, check the past videos, provide the feedback. AI will read the transcript of the live streams, of the videos, and provide the feedback, help come up with improvement plan, and many different ideas which I have based on my experience, because I started working on YouTube and I'm just a new channel with a low count of subscribers, and there are many problems which you bump into when working on YouTube, and I want to have like all these tools in one place for helping me. And based on my experience and my pain with this, I try to create something that will help me on the way, and hopefully everyone else, like whoever is working on or wants to have a YouTube channel and create content. So this is just day 2, and yeah, day 3. It's hard to see. I'm on a stage where I'm just searching for the design, the UI design. So from later days, slowly this will come into the play. It will be more more seen on the screen, what this app will do. I'm just setting up API keys now. Okay, so I need to enable some services like YouTube Data API v3. Okay, I'm enabling it. Okay, so I need to get the credentials. Okay, it's a lot of stuff actually. YouTube API key I need, YouTube Analytics is separately, and Google Calendar API. Okay, YouTube Data API. Actually, it's not that simple as I imagined. Because I need to set up the credentials and it's not that 1-minute task. I understand now. Okay, I'll try my best to do it quickly so I continue streaming. Otherwise, I don't want to spend my time stream while I figure out the API variables. I'm gonna use my cursor actually to help me with this. Okay, so and here, what do we have here? Oh, I think new. Actually, I like this a lot. I like this. This one also cool. Nice, pretty nice. And this one kind of had an error during generation. Can I regenerate? Yeah, I'll try to regenerate this. Okay, so yeah, I'm creating API key for YouTube data. Okay, almost done with it. I will need a Google Calendar also for this project. Google Calendar. So enabling Google Calendar API. So I enabled services like Google Calendar and YouTube data, and I created the API key. So will all the services be available through this API key, or each service needs its own API key in Google? Yeah, need to figure this out. If I need to create a new API key for all the new services. One API key is enough. Okay, one API key is enough. Okay, that's cool actually. In that case, what else do I need? So Okay, so I added YouTube API key, which is in reality Google API key. I created and I enabled services like YouTube Data v3 and Google Calendar. So this key will be enough, right, to make calls to YouTube and Google API, right? So here, what do we have? Okay, nice. I like this a lot. Okay, now I need authentication credentials for YouTube. Okay, I need to create authentication credentials now. Oh, okay. Create credential, okay. Yeah, just some configuration needed in Google. Okay, almost done. Web application, web view frenzy. I need to authenticate the local host right now. So I can test it. When it redirect URL. Redirect URL as well. Okay, I get client ID. Okay. Okay, done, I think. So I guess now I will what I will do is I will start now implementing the UI. Just a moment. I will throw maybe I should try to connect Figma with my code, and that way would be better to implement this UI instead of just throwing an image. Or how hard is this? Copy to Figma. Convert. Okay, let's try to convert. How long will it take? I don't think it will take a long time. Okay, now getting back. Okay, changes are committed. Now what I want is try to understand. Opening this Figma. Okay, so I can export a Figma file. I have generated templates inside Stitch, Google Stitch. What will be the most efficient way for you to recreate them? What I mean is, if I provide a PNG image of the design, which one will be the most precise way for you to create the design? The image or Figma file, or maybe it's possible to connect to Stitch with the plugins. Also, let's check what's the usage after I set up the project, stuff like that. So PNG image is best option. I can view images directly, recreate design. Okay, Figma, I don't have Figma plugin, so I can treat. Yeah, I mean, I will go with images. That's it. Actually, how can I? Is it possible to extract fonts and exact colors from Stitch? Actually, it is possible, I'm sure in it, but I just don't know how. I need to find out. But if I export like a zip, MCP, Figma, okay, let's say I export it as zip. This one is better, yeah. I'll export this one as zip. Let's say what it has. Let's see. Hey, real Ragos, are you a coder? Yes, I am. Yes, I'm a developer, experienced developer, with 4 years of experience. Maybe not senior, like yet. Depends on what considers senior, but yeah, I have 4-year coding experience. And on streams, I'm using AI, so I'm vibe coding and learning the AI. I'm interested in context engineering and maximizing the usage of AI for building stuff. I find it exciting, so yeah, I'm streaming how I build with AI. Oh, what code is this? Did it? Actually, Why are you going all in on plan? I'm going on plan B, but yeah, I mean, title, it was for the sake of joke. I think I find this a funny title. Building SaaS because I have no plan B. And it's kind of a trendy, so that's the idea behind it. You know, they are like actually very trendy nowadays on YouTube, titles like vibe coding or building until I become a billionaire and stuff like that. Some people are scamming like until I earn some big amount and then putting revenue. So I wanted some funny title, something similar, so came up with this. But I'm really building a SaaS, so I want it to work. I want to deploy it. And yeah, I want to build it in public streaming. So yeah, the idea is real for this. I'm restarting my life at 40. Okay, that sounds really exciting and interesting, actually. Well, what can I tell you? Good luck, and everything is possible, and that's really exciting and never too late to restart life. So yeah, I mean, good luck to you. I'm also actually, I have a full-time job, but I want something like, that's why I started streaming. I'm interested in content creation. I'm excited about learning stuff and sharing stuff from my viewpoint. So there is a bit truth in it. It's like a funny title, but there's a truth in it that I'm really working on SaaS, which I really want to deploy. So I'm on the journey and I'm on the beginning of it. It's day 3 when I'm building this thing. Yeah, and actually I noticed one pattern when creating projects. I think it's common among everyone that in the beginning phase you are excited about it, you have many cool ideas, and then you start working on it, and at some point, after some times, you hit anxious thoughts where you feel like, is it really gonna work, or will anyone even need this, and stuff like that. It's really common. But how I look at this is you just need to do, and you just need to work and not overthink it, and just build stuff, and it will work, I believe. I'm really sorry to hear that, and I hope everything will be great, and I wish you energy and power and all the good vibes, positive energy. But yeah, I need to remember that everything bad and negative will pass, and everything will come back to normal. It won't always be bad, so you just need to keep your head up, whatever it is, Okay, so what do we have here? I don't have direct experience with Google Stitch since it's a new tool. Okay, it doesn't have experience with Google Stitch, not a problem. What I can do is, actually, I will open Gemini here. First, let's clear this. Gemini. Gemini should have information about Stitch and access the designs. Okay, trust this folder. Okay, so I have generated. Okay, let's talk with Gemini. I have generated some templates with Stitch through a web page. And is it possible to extract exact colors and fonts from that generated template? Let's see. It has actually connection to MCP server, so maybe it will be able to fetch the generated designs. These ones, because I generated this from like web page of Stitch. So let's see if it has access. I can extract exact colors, fonts from a Stitch template. To do this, I need to access the template on the web. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it needs this URL, I guess. But how will it understand which one? So in that case, I will delete all the ones that I don't want. This one, this one. So these ones I don't want to delete for some reason. Or okay, I will delete. This one is fine. But there are a couple of options actually. I want this one, these colors, and maybe font of this one. So how can I specify which one is this? Okay, morning glow dashboard. Okay, so I'll share the link, I guess. Here is the link. The name of the generated template is morning glow, I believe. Yep, morning glow dashboard. Okay, let's see how it will extract. Okay. Allow the usage. So is it like trying to find it through Chrome DevTools? I thought it would just go straight to Stitch, Google Stitch. But it's asking for permission on Google Chrome server, so I think it just opens a new browser and the new browser is not authenticated, and that's why it can't find it. I mean, it's struggling. How can I provide access to it? It's opened here in my browser. I think there should be the way actually to extract the exact colors from here. I will try to one more thing, maybe export MCP, or actually I have a better idea. I can set up an MCP. No, I don't need the API key. Actually, I will go to, but I have exported from Stitch a zip file which contains the screenshot and the HTML file. So I believe if I share with you the HTML file, there you will find the CSS and everything, right? I should have thought of this before. So see, like, I believe there is some usage how to connect. Yeah, I mean, you can generate an MCP server here through Stitch, and then you can, I guess, connect from Google or from whatever AI you want. But now Google didn't tell me that you need to set it up. He said, yeah, for sure I'm gonna connect with MCP, and he's like trying for so long, 2 minutes, wasting tokens for nothing. Let me check, like, how much did it? Okay, not a lot, but still. 4 minutes wasted for nothing. Okay, so that's the best possible input. HTML, CSS, scheme, exact values, color. Share the HTML file. So yeah, I mean, I should have thought about this. I will share now HTML. Just a moment. Okay, I need to find the file. I downloaded it. It's here. Extract. Okay, here's the HTML. So I wanted to extract colors and fonts. Don't build a layout yet. I wanted to extract colors and fonts and set up those colors as brand colors, so we reuse them across components. Because, let's see. Yep. Give the permission. Okay, so I guess I will do one thing. check the setup of authentication. Google OAuth. Do we have everything needed for it? So yeah, proceed on implementing. What's the current state? Yeah, current state, I guess you're asking about this. SaaS is just day 3, which is setting up the layout, trying to find the design for this UI design for this app, and setting up the basic stuff like Google Authentication. On previous streams, I have set up the database schemas. So today I'm focusing on finding the right template, the design, and do the basic setup of Google Authentication. Yeah. This will be a long series of streaming of this project because I am not in super hurry. I want to set up everything the right way so it has less bugs and production will be good. So yep, I think it will be interesting. I'll show you just in case. Here's the designs. I am just playing around with Stitch. This is not the final version, but I took the inspiration from here. I wanted some light colors, you know, like not dark ones, so the user will feel kind of cozy, you know, comfortable on the UI. So I'm extracting these colors for now, and yeah, then we'll start making on polishing the UI so it looks much better. Actually, I'm planning tomorrow to have a longer stream, like long run, 6 hours maybe, you know, or more. Let's see how it goes. So today will be a heavy day, I guess. Okay, so succeeded. Here's summary of changes. Global CSS being updated with fonts. Light mode, dark mode also. Okay, no one asked for dark mode, but I guess it's AI. So okay, updated fonts and colors. Will you be making a summary on everyday progress? That's a good question. I will try to do that. I will try to make summary and also the overview of in the beginning of the stream what the stream will be covering each day, each stream. So yeah, it's a good question, a good tool to track also. So I will try my best to set it up more professionally. And thanks for suggestion. Okay, so we have updated fonts. Let's see. I mean, there's nothing to see actually yet, because localhost is empty for now. Now I will clear this, and actually I shouldn't have done that. Okay, this is which one? Let's check. Okay, I'll go with this one. Actually, I will not start working on the full UI for now. I want today to set up the authentication, Google OAuth. So that's what I will try to finalize today. Okay, I will just, I need to check the variables, environment variables. The idea of this layout is really cool, but it's funny that it did so sloppy, all this spacing and spacings and all this stuff. So I'll just try to one thing, generate more thinner version where text is more text size. Here it sloppy badly. Okay, it should generate 3 variations. Meanwhile, I'm trying to set up the environment variables. Done. Okay, so well, okay, let's see how it will refine. Okay, so it generated 1 version. Which is not the same as this one. It recreated the content layout. Not that efficient. No, I like this idea, like, of these components, these icons. Welcome back, champion. It's a motivating text. And this global rank. I think it should be. Yeah, I like this leveling system. You're just like 1200 XP away from the page. It will motivate on a like a psychological level the user, you know. It feels like a game when you are leveling up, so it's a pretty cool concept, I think. Okay, so let's see, what do we got. I will try to I try to finalize today the Google OAuth so it works. and I'll continue the rest tomorrow's stream, which will be much longer. So let's see, what do we have here? I'll run the dev server right now. Okay, sign up with Google. Okay, and it asks me to choose a channel, and it fails. Frenzy has not completed Google verification process. Okay, I'll investigate this error. So it says access denied. I guess it's because maybe redirect URL is not approved in the Google console. Okay, I'll receive this error. What could be? I believe it is in the Google console. I approved a localhost URL. Yeah. I need to add test users. Yeah, I need to add. Okay. Okay, I need to find where should I add this test user from. Add users, test users, right. Okay, I need to add the Gmail address. Okay, so I added test user. Let's see how it works. My email, I added. Okay. Okay, you've been given access to this app that's currently being tested. You should only continue. That's great. So it's working. Okay, it asks me what Forensic can access. Google Calendar, YouTube account, analytics. Amazing. Yes, continue. That's cool. It already set it up. It already set up the UI, but yeah, of course, this is just skeleton. This is like base, and tomorrow I'll be polishing this and improving this. But that's amazing. So today's mission accomplished. Today's mission, I will give a short summary. What was the mission for today? Today's mission was to set up the base skeleton, the UI skeleton for the app, and implement authentication via Google, which is done. Google OAuth, I tested and it works. Successfully logged in with my Google account, and it let me select the YouTube channel, whichever I want. App will be letting you connect one YouTube channel at a time. The user will be able to connect the YouTube channel. Anytime they can remove it and reconnect another channel. So that will be it. Yeah, I mean, the skeleton is pretty simple, straightforward. I knew it from the start that we need to have some kind of a dashboard, a sidebar here, and in the center will be the main screen, where will be the main focus of everything, ideas, content, and on the right side there will be an AI agent like here. So that's pretty cool. Tomorrow I will use these generated templates, refine it, try to make it as better as possible. So I'll set up the basic UI, and then we'll begin the most interesting, like creating all this functionality, like user profile. When users register, they're gonna have this questionnaire, like to understand what wants the user to achieve on this app, like the goals, what style, what type of personality the user is, like what style of videos wants the user make, what format videos. So it will enhance, this knowledge will enhance the AI. So it will be the better assistant. So, and the most exciting part about this is that I'm in the process of growing the channel, so I will be the one testing it. So I will be the one trying to test this idea responses that will come back. It will have a lot of functionality, cool stuff like calendar and stuff like that, which I want to focus this app on, like productivity, to help users who struggle with also the discipline and productivity. So it will kind of nudge the user that, hey, you know, a notification will pop out that you need to do this today and stuff like that. So it's really cool. I'm getting excited about these ideas and trying to discipline myself on streaming it, because I'm pretty sure I will bump into a lot of challenges on this one. Yeah, it needs good planning and the system design for the flow, so it works perfectly. So I guess that's it for today. Thanks everyone for engaging, for watching, liking the stream, and yeah, hope to see you next stream, which is planned for tomorrow. And yeah, I'll try to be active with the notifications just in case, so everyone can follow. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream for now. Thanks everyone.